In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to multiply integers, and the integers have opposite signs. So we have 9 times -2. So I'm going to go through each step and I'll go through some of the tricks, so make sure to stick around for all the steps. So remember the following rule, step 1, okay? Different signs equals negative product. So how does that look? So when we have different signs, negative times a positive, it's going to give you a negative, or the other way around, when it's a positive times a negative, it will give you a negative, okay? So the other trick is to remember if the signs are the same. So same signs equals positive product, okay? So if we have a positive times a positive, it's going to give you a positive. If we have a negative times a negative, it'll give you a positive. So those are rules to remember for multiplying integers with signs, okay? So our answer, we know, will be negative because we have different signs. This one has a positive, this one has a negative. So regardless, our answer will be negative. So that means 9 times -2 is going to be -18, okay? So if the signs were switched, the answer would be the same, right? Because here we have positive times a negative, which is this one, and here we have negative times a positive, and it's going to give you a negative answer. So that's a negative times a positive will give you negative. And that's it. Those are all the tricks you need to remember when multiplying integers with negative numbers. Okay, so don't worry if you don't get that right away. There's nothing wrong with repetition. You could just rewatch the video. As well, take a look at the description. There's links there to other videos of mine that I've done that are similar. As well, make sure to download the ebook. In the ebook, there's a link to this very video, and you can follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.